Hi guys, coming on really quickly to let you know about another great product. It's the Fight Sense Mini Stun Gun and Pepper Spray Combo. Guys, this product is just $19.99. The link is going to be in the comment section. It is also available on my bio. Guys, the pepper spray comes with this convenient carrying keychain case. It has 25 bursts, pressurized stream, and it also has a UV dye. Guys, the stun gun, also convenient carrying case. It has a 1.6 charge of intolerable pain, 90 decibel crackling sound. It has an LED flashlight, a rechargeable battery where you just simply plug it into a standard outlet to recharge it. Guys, I did want to show you the flashlight, and I also wanted to demonstrate the crackling sound. $19.99 for this combo. Invest in yourself for the new year. This is a great self-defense kit. Everybody have a great night.